With legs to move us around, arms and hands to manipulate objects, and eyes and ears to take in information, the human body is a constant inspiration to engineers. That's why many of the devices they design try to imitate or enhance what the human body can do. And that's the theme of this unit: eyes, ears, and hands. Oh, hey there! Oh, man. You know, it's not until you can't use your hand that you realize just how useful hands are. From an engineering standpoint, hands are pretty amazing when you think about all the things they can do. It's no wonder that engineers are inspired by hands. Engineers have created things that copy hands, doing what hands can do. Or other times they've designed stuff that can do much more than what the human hand can do. That's what this project, the claw hand, is all about. Problem: making a device that does what a hand can do. Solution: claw hand.